everyone. My name is Ahmad Ashraf. I am 13 years old. My mother's name is Ainin Anya. She works for the KKK. My father's name is Aidi Adnan. He works for the KWSP. They are sitting over there. Please say hi to them. Today I would like to share to you about my most memorable experience. My most memorable experience is when I went to Japan. There I went to the Universal Studios Japan with my teachers and friends. My favorite movie is The Man. The movie is about a prehistoric shark named Megalodon. My favorite sport is badminton. I like it because I went for badminton class at my school. I love my parents because they support me in what I do. When I grow up, I want to be a microbiologist because I like science. Thank you.
Thank you so much.